Hello guys, get ready with me for this flawless makeover. So clear skin is the most important step, so I'm starting with my micellar water. Next, I'm layering my moisturizer and primer to create the perfect build for my products. So can you tell me why I apply setting powder on my smile line? So I'm applying my foundation and also blending it. Following up with the concealer to highlight the high point of my face. So I'm using this translucent setting powder to set my under eye to ensure everything stays matte and smooth. So for the eyes, we are doing this eyeshadow look. I just came up with this color and I'm loving the outcome of it. So I'm going in with my blush, nose contour. And so the next thing is to set my face with my actual shade of powder. Always wipe your lip and apply setting powder on it before lining your lip for best results. So I'm using this Lipstain from my lip palette. And of course, we are locking it all in with setting spray. And we are done. Flawless and fresh. Rate this look, guys, in the comment section. Bye. Thank you for watching.